Yo, Carlo's doing the dance with me.
Yo.
Yo, Armando, how close is it?
I got like 15 minutes left.
That's not too
15
bad.
minutes.
That's like a
I'ma go
decently.
take a
That's like a
break,
decently long piss. I'm gonna go
I'm gonna
piss.
go take a decent. No way has someone ever 15-minute pissed before. No way that's ever happened.
I'm gonna take an extraordinarily long piss. Yo, someone trade with
ladder
me.
of an elephant.
You can jump on top of that. On the side, on the side.
Shit.
Oh!
There's the guy CT. Over.
I'm
The fuck who
blasting.
threw the bomb like that?
Flashbang. Something nice.
It doesn't matter.
One more in the
Oh, I
smoke.
don't like that.
Smoke, in the smoke.
So I'm trying to pick up one CT. One CT.
What the fuck?
That was so hectic.
Nah, Aaron, were you the one who threw it? It kinda just looked like you were throwing while everyone else
Hey,
was
that's at
throwing like
300.
smoke grenades and shit. You were like,
Alright,
okay,
I
I
got
guess
enough money.
I'll add.
Nah, I wanted that bomb out of my pocket, man.
See
Yeah,
you,
wait.
see you on the other side.
Fight.
They're
Yo.
gonna pull out Negevs, just watch.
Yeah, but just everybody else buy a Negev, dude.
Yeah, everyone buy a Negev.
Wait, I have money for a Negev.
That's pretty nice.
Okay, let me show myself first, and then you guys come in. Let me show myself
okay,
first, and you guys just wait by the door. Let me see if they respect it. Alright, come on, gangsters. You want
They
some-
didn't respect it.
Yes! No Russians! Jesus!
He was a puppet.
No Russians!
He's pushing! He's already up long.
Bruh. 66 degrees.
By the way.
Only in his head. Head's only.
Why are there three
There's
long?
a third one.
Yeah, I know.
God.
Holy
Nice.
shit, why is the Mac 10 so good?
Go.
It's just a running gun weapon.
Wait, what? Why does...
They're either both long or one's coming cut.
They're both long.
Long, long, nice.
Oh, nice.
No. Carl, you're in the way. Move.
He moved like 1 inch. To not die. I'm watching short.
My cat is fucking with my mouse.
It's an enemy flash on B.
I'm lagging.
There.
Yeah, they're fucking.
He was planning, he's dead
Calm
now.
down,
Short.
calm down.
There's two of them in the tunnel.
Please.
I just pushed the site.
He's so low in the smoke, bro.
He's dead.
You know where to see. Yep. Yeah.
You guys
I'm
have.
watching
I gotta watch
sandbags.
behind me. They're probably gonna flank.
I'm lagging. I'm
Yeah,
rubber
they're-
banding.
yeah.
Let me know if you see one so then I can look out. Cause I'm watching behind me.
Yeah, they're gonna come up behind you or something.
One flash sandbags.
One came behind me, he's dead. Nice. I'm gonna send another. They keep sending that guy tunnel. Bomb tunnel.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Yeah, someone watch short B. Oh shit, he's short B.
Oh my god. Juice Man 70.
One's ladder. Ladder down. Last guy's short B.
Okay.
Go off.
What?
Oh,
What?
here she fucking outplay.
What?
Sick old.
What?
Sick
What?
old ribbon.
What?
Fucking dead. Big ignite.
Okay, watch this. Yeah!
Just a reminder that Joe Biden's inauguration does not change the fact that there are 48 million kangaroos in Australia, and in Hawaii there are only 3,357,380 inhabitants. So if the kangaroos decided to invade Uruguay, each Uruguayan would have to fight 14 kangaroos.
What is Joe Biden? What?
Me escaping Uruguay. Ah! Ah!
What? I'm so lost.
I guess you could say that Hades is one hell of a game.
This is actually Winston.
Just like Hades, Last of Us 2 is a game where you don't have to choose between great gameplay or a great story. People are still looking at me like I'm crazy for liking this game, but give it a couple years and they'll be looking at you weird for not liking this game.
Why does he do that for so long? It's one hell of a game.
What is happening?
Your mom is a pillar. You fat as fuck.
What the f-
One short, one sandbag.
No, I'm lagging.
Yo, watch what? Oh god, they're pushing you from all directions.
Why?
Why do you guys not push through the tunnel with me?
I came out.
Yeah, there you go.
Killed everybody else.
Come on, Sam, you got this, man! Sam,
What the? One man army! One man army! One man army!
He's probably coming behind, bro.
He is.
That was loud.
No!
Why are they all there?
They're all in apps, dude.
I like switch back and I see Sam facing 4 MFs.
It's all that hallway. What?
Gotta be some swag.
Crisscross. Everybody clap your hands.
Oh, we're here clapping.
The gang is all here.
This is.
Hey, man.
Oh my fucking god! I got ops.
Oh, nice, Winston.
No! That one's lit 680?
Yeah, there's an opera watching that.
I think they have 2 operas.
Look.
Oh my fucking god.